Captain update. Ito na yung big announcement nila Captain Bernardo at Alden Richards. Hello love again. Ayan, pagkikita. Ayan, ni Ethan at Joy. Yun, no? Ayan, abangan ng movie nila Alden at Catherine. Na Hello Love Again in cinemas worldwide. November 13 na yan. Wow. Ayan, with direct copy. Ayan, pagdating ng Captain. Arise for Hello Love Again. Grabe naman yun. Isa sa mga most awaited movie yan, syempre. Ayan, naglakad pa nga sa red carpet.
Joy and Ethan are back for Hello Love Again.
After 5 years,
Back Alden at poster photos muna.
babalik sila Ethan at Joy. Excited na siyempre ang lahat.
Sana po nakaramdaman ninyo ang
Catherine at
energy.
Alden.
Ang energy na event natin tonight. Alright.
Catherine in the house.
Welcome Catherine and Alden. Ninyo ang energy. Ang energy na event natin tonight.
Energy.
Alright. Please welcome Catherine. Sana po nararamdaman ninyo ang
Iba-ibang
energy.
angulo.
Ang energy ng event natin.
Ayan na.
Marami rin mga yung mga supporters namin, I'm sure si Captain, and support yung mga fans ng film, the actual film, really wants to know what happens next. So,
Same time, it's different this time because it's been 5 years. And 5 years is such a long time.
dami na nangyari.
Yeah, I've changed. I think we all did. Lahat tayo nagbago. And I'm just curious kung ano yung mabibigay namin this time around. Because when we shot HLG, I was just 23. And then now, I just turned 28. So yung 5 years na yun, ano yung nangyari sa growth namin personally? And of course, kung ano naman yung magiging growth when it comes to Ethan and Joy. So,
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.